I decided I wanted to go ahead and upgrade my miter saw fence on the miter saw station I had built earlier this summer. Here I'm pointing out I wanted to close up the gap between the fence and the actual fence on the miter saw. I ended up using 3/4 inch particle board due to the fact that plywood was about $90 a sheet for the equivalent in size. So I used the offcuts of the particle board for the fence. Here I'm going to upgrade it to using 3/4 inch plywood. Here are the steps I took. For the stop block, I made a very basic design that would fit into the top T-track. This would allow it to slide left and right, and with the open groove on the top, when it wasn't in use or if it was in the way, I could take it off completely. The stop is basic, just using some offcuts, with the notch cut out large enough in the top to accommodate the T-track bolt. Next, I needed to set up a test piece, so I mark off 8 inches on this scrap piece of wood, cut it, transfer the 8 inches to the back stop of the miter fence itself, really making sure here that 8 inches transfers there so I could see it. Next I'm going to take the stick-on tape measure, align the 8 inches of it up to the mark I made on the back stop. Serves as two purposes: to cover up the screw holes on the fence and of course give me a tape measure down 48 inches. Unfortunately, I didn't realize when I lowered the handle down that the grip was right in line with the camera face, but I'm basically taking a tape measure just to verify that the tape measure and the stick-on tape measure are matching up. To cut the tape, you'll need some utility scissors. They'll cut through the metal easily. Then just peel off the 3M backing strip and smooth it down to the rip fence surface. I'll have links in the description where you can find this utility tape. It's incredibly sticky. I expect it to stick on really well. Also has the good metal finish, pretty much like a retractable tape measure blade. Hope you'll like and subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, appreciate a thumbs up. Also have a Patreon page. I'll have links to everything, Patreon, Instagram, everything in the page description, along with the tools I used. If you have any comments on this miter saw fence upgrade, look forward to reading them in the comments below. I do try to answer all of my comments. So until the next time, I'll see you later.